Good morning, Mary Wash alumni. My name is Michael Gilchrist, class of 2020.
And I'm Reed Merritt, also class of 2020.
I'm Don, UMW Catering.
And happy homecoming from us. Though we can't be together in person, we thought this would be an amazing opportunity to learn how to make some homecoming-worthy cocktails and tailgate foods.
Hey, sounds good to me.
So Don, this is a wonderful spread obviously in front of us. Can I infer that we're gonna be making some amazing Bloody Marys?
That would make sense, Michael, considering that bottomless Bloody Marys are a staple of UMW Homecoming.
Let's get started. I'd like to start off basically with the basic Bloody Mary. And we have all the accoutrements here that you can add and make it more customized that way. The basic Bloody Mary, you start with a little ice. You're gonna have a shot of vodka, whatever vodka you prefer. From there you go on, I'm gonna use the tomato juice, which is not spicy. Where if you want to go into Bloody Caesar, we have the Clamato, which has a little clam juice in it, or we have the Bloody Mary mix. The Bloody Mary mix has in it the Tabasco sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, it has the salt, pepper, it has a horseradish, and so you can make it as spicy or as not as spicy as you like. We usually have the lemons and limes we squeeze on top of that. I just like the basic. I do add a little Worcestershire sauce and a touch of Tabasco. I stay away from the sriracha.
It's good for Reed.
Keep it spicy.
There's also we have the Old Bay here, which is nice, especially if you're going to upgrade it with a little shrimp. Make it a meal, not only just a Bloody Mary. And I like the flavor of the celery. I do lemon and lime. Makes it a little bit more citrus.
A little zest.
More zest.
I like it.
Okay. I'll get you some ice. Why don't we start with you over here?
Perfect. And here you have it, a Mary Wash Mary. Cheers.
Reed, I'm gonna be honest, I got two beautiful drinks over here, and yours is looking a little lonely, so I'm just gonna see what I can do here, your boss. Yep, that'll.
Social distancing. Well done. These are some great drinks. Now, guess we're on to some food. What are we talking here?
I'm going to make a nice spinach and artichoke dip that you can enjoy with your drinks later on.
The spinach and artichoke dip?
Yes, it's a famous spinach and artichoke dip.
No kidding.
That is a Mary Wash special, folks. You're only gonna get this here, all right? No other place on the internet has this. This is straight from the master, Don, so pay attention.
Thank you. What I do is we start with 2 pounds of cream cheese. You want it at room temperature, it makes it easier to fold in everything else. What I usually do is turn on the oven while I'm mixing this, so it preheats to 350 degrees. What you do is you take a roughly chopped spinach, mix that in.
How much spinach are we talking about?
This is a cup of roughly so.
We're healthy here. We're healthy here in Fredericksburg.
Hey, when's the last time you bought spinach, Michael?
Too long. Can't remember.
Just mix that in a little bit. I'm gonna add a little lemon juice, tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic, tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic.
Keep the vampires out, Don.
A little salt, and they always go like this to make sure it's for good luck. Right?
There you go. Cheers.
Learn from the best. And here we have a little bit of the white pepper. Just sprinkle that over around. So as you incorporate all those items into the dish, it actually chops up the spinach a little bit more, as you're doing with a whisk. Use this spatula to get it out.
Don, that's the biggest whisk I've ever seen.
Oh, well. You see the ones in the old country that we used to use. Okay, we have the artichoke. This is 2 cups of the chopped artichoke hearts.
2 cups.
2 cups. It's about 2-to-1 ratio, I guess, as far as the spinach goes.
You can always smell the Mary Wash aroma filling the room.
And again, as you mix this in, it breaks up the artichoke heart a little bit more.
And what kind of consistency are we looking here? What do you want to be looking for?
Yeah, well,
When mixing here.
it's smooth. You want to smooth it all in until it goes. And then you add the mozzarella, about a cup of the shredded mozzarella cheese.
A little bit of mozzarella.
There, and then we have incorporate that. You get a little bit of a workout doing this at the same time.
Great, maybe you should take up this recipe, huh?
Yeah.
Get a little arm workout.
Look
in
at
it.
The
swole,
cheddar
Don.
cheese. We're adding some of the cheddar cheese.
First time you're working out in years, Reed.
Cheers to that.
For those who can't wait to be cooked, you just eat it like a chicken wing. However, you do want to cook it for about 25 minutes at 350-degree oven till it's brown and bubbly. Put it into a pan, and when you're ready, here we go, voila, you've got to cook spinach and artichoke dip.
Well, Reed, thanks to Don here, we have our delicious drinks, we have a delicious dip. I mean, what else is missing here?
I guess a little bit of UMW sports action.
A little homecoming action. Let's get to it.